Guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss how to combine Ollama then Qwen code Nemotron 3 Ultra for free or coding. So first here, opening this place command prompt. Now or there, let's use CLS command first. If I write Ollama minus minus version, so you can see 13% that install. If I write there Qwen minus minus version. So you can see Qwen 18% that install. So Qwen code 18%. Let's use the CLS command, writing this place Ollama. Then you can use this here, chat with model, Claude code, codex, and this lecture about the Qwen code. So here you need to select the Qwen code. Then this place you can select the model, minimax. This here update required, that means it's not free. This also not free. So this lecture about here Nemotron 3 Ultra and this selected there. So to install this Nemotron 3 Ultra in your PC, so if that option is not come, then here you need to write there Ollama run Nemotron -3 then minus Ultra. So Nemotron -3 minus Ultra, then colon cloud. So by using this command, you can install this. So this come there. Then after refresh, if you refresh this, then you can this option that will appear. So let's click on this option, Nemotron 3, selected, then press enter. Then you can see Qwen code that's come inside the Ollama. The model is Nemotron 3 Ultra is there. Now let's chat with simply giving there hi. After that you can write any query there. This is now letting go and this is returning this. The user said hi, how can I help you? So how to learn MySQL? You can ask any questions. So this is for testing here, start basic and this here SQL Vault interactive. This is reference legend. This all. So this is how we can do there combining this Ollama Qwen code Nemotron 3 Ultra for free recording. Thereafter you can ask any question according to your requirement. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.